Put some ice cubes in the blender. Keep going with it until you're sure you have enough ice. Just keep putting ice until you're sure you have enough. That looks good. And then, add some juice. I think that's good. Then set it on the blender base. Click it on. And then secure the cap. Make sure that it's not going to leak. Is it plugged in? Yes, it is. It just took a second to turn on. Hold on, I'm trying to twist it around. Here, oh, shoot. Now this is the noisy part of the slushie making process. Now, go ahead and turn it off. Take a look at the masterpiece you have made. See that? See there? In there? Yep. Give it a quick pull it off the base. No cups in there. Aha! Found the cup. Take a cup. Pour some in a glass. And there's your masterpiece fully made. Goodbye, see you next time. And make sure to like, subscribe, and stay delicious. Nice close-up shot of the cup. Here's my slushie masterpiece, and I'm gonna let this rambling go on a little bit longer. There's the blender, which if you see, it's basically just a spinning wheel. I'm gonna show you how it works. And that's how it's supposed now. And that's it turned off. So, see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to Easy Slush Vlog. Goodbye and see you next time.